What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deals video, and today we have some deals from Home Depot and Acme tools, and I want to talk to you a little bit about Tools Direct over here at eBay. But let's go ahead and get on with the show. First up, we have this Milwaukee Shockwave. You guys know what this is. This is riddled all over Home Depot, Northern Tool, and I think that might be it. I think Acme Tool had it too, for $49 during the holiday season. And now it's $39, which is shocking because I've never seen this cheap. So you have this pack out case, and it has 90 pieces for impact bits, and also down there you have the adapters for a 3/8 and a 1/4 inch socket adapter for your sockets, which I like a lot. $39.97, not a bad deal right there. You know, if this came with like some drill bits, that would just be perfect. All right, anyway, moving on. $39.97 there. I'm only showing you, it's not on sale. I'm only showing you guys this because for the average person, this is going to be a nice drill bit set, just because they have the hex shank right here. So you can use these with impact drivers, you can use them with regular drill drivers, hammer drills, stuff like that. Generally, these cost at least $40. So if you wanted or needed some drill bits and you weren't doing anything super crazy with them, it's not a bad route to go right here. Now, moving on, we have these Milwaukee batteries, and you guys know I don't like buying batteries because it's too many BOGOs, hacks, and all that other stuff where you can get batteries for free. But we have two 3 amp hour high output batteries and this 12 amp hour high output battery from Milwaukee for $249. Now, the 12 amp hour battery is about $249 to $300 itself. So that ain't a bad deal right there if you needed some batteries. Moving on, I showed you guys this or something similar very recently, like last week, because I haven't made a video in a minute. But we have this new high torque impact wrench 1/2 inch, as well as the mid torque 3/8 impact wrench, $389. Now listen, this high torque is $299 itself, so for extra $90 you're getting this mid torque, and the mid torque is normally like $229 itself. So really sweet deal. I also like that between these two, you're pretty much knocking everything out. All you need now is a little M12 stubby, and you have the whole family. You're doing every job. But this mid torque is super tiny. Honestly, you don't even really need a compact impact wrench with this thing. So $389, I'm a little tempted myself. Now, before we move on to the next deal, I just want to say, if you get any value, from these videos and from this video, I ask that you please like this video, leave a comment, and share it. Share it in the group, share it with a family member, share it with somebody so that they cannot miss out on any of these deals. They might need something. I appreciate you very much. Moving on. We have this $99 kit, this M12 fuel impact driver with a 2 amp hour battery, a charger, and a bag, $99. Now, you guys know I'm a fan of buying impact drivers with modes, and this has modes, okay? 4 modes to be exact. $99, you just not beating that. I had to say that because I wanted to rhyme, but there you go. You're not beating that. 1,300 inch-pounds. Is it the biggest, baddest on the block? No, but this will get most jobs done, straight up. So there you go with that, $99 there. Also, we have this Shockwave to go with your impact drivers over here. We have this Shockwave Socket Set, 31 piece, and it comes with pack out organizer, and it has 2 individual trays that can be removed for your different size sockets. So you have the red side is your SAE and your black side is the metric, and they're all deep sockets, all the way up to 1.5 inches, all the way down to, of course, that 10mm, which you'll lose as soon as you get it. So there's that. Also comes with an extension. $169 is not a bad deal at all. Moving on, we also have this Milwaukee deal, and I just realized I don't have any like DeWalt deals or anything, so it's a whole Milwaukee day. I mentioned this deal before for $339. You already know that this impact driver hammer drill with the 2 batteries as a kit is $200 itself. And this is a fuel oscillating tool, which is about, I think you have find that right now for like $179. And then also this hacksaw is also about $149, because this is the M12, not the M18. So $339, you're getting one of these free and the other one at a discount. So that's also a nice little bundle deal right there. All right, moving on over to Acme tools. We have, speaking of impact drives, we have another one, this Flex one. And it's up to you. I don't like that Flex has those leaky batteries, or even want to deal with that. But this is also $99. Now, this one, though, does not have any modes. You know, how I feel about the modes. And the reason why I like the modes, listen, like this is high power. You see it, it's 1,800 inch-pounds, 500 extra inch-pounds over the M12 Milwaukee we just saw for $99. And to have no modes, you have to have so much finesse when you're using this thing. This could mess up a delicate project, and you'll end up having to buy another impact driver. So to me, you spend the money or wait for a good deal, and you get one with modes so you can be very versatile. But this one doesn't have any modes, but it does come with two 2.5 amp hour batteries, that rapid charger, the bag, and this impact wrench. Not bad if you want to go with Flex and take advantage of their lifetime warranty. You have to register it though, and I never register my Flex tools, always forget. So no lifetime warranty for me. Also, we have this Metabo HPT. Now, if you're asking me, and if you're watching this, this is the best deal. It's $149, but you use Save HPT to get an additional $20 off. So this will be $129. So yes, it's an extra $30 over the other two. Before that $30, you're getting modes. You're getting the most powerful impact wrench at 1869. Where is it? I know it's 1859 inch-pounds, triple hammer. You're getting two 2 amp hour batteries, a charger, and a hard case for $129. To me, that's it right there. With the 3-ring light, that's it right there. This is going to be the go-to. Ergonomics, perfect. The ergonomics on that Milwaukee suck. It stinks. I can't stand the ergonomics on this. The Flex is heavy. This is lightweight. The ergonomics are perfect. It's the most powerful, and it has modes. Hey, you can't go wrong. This is the best one right here. And this has a lifetime warranty. How about that? And it has a lifetime warranty with no need to register or anything like that. It just has it. Okay, to me, that's it. Moving on, and we're almost wrapping up here. You guys again know about this angle grinder with the 5 amp hour battery, the charger, and the bag, $119. I don't say, if you miss out on this, don't say I didn't let you guys know. I know I keep talking about it, but this is a crazy deal. Don't forget to register, have your lifetime warranty. And again, with the hammer drill, this is a good drill, man. It's really freaking good. $119. You got a 5 amp hour battery and a 2.5 amp hour battery charger in a hard case. Just let me give you these specs, man. 1,400 inch-pounds. Like, it's a big boy. Has a handle. They're not showing it in the picture, but it has a handle. It's their like top of the line drill. I don't even understand why this thing is $119 as a kit like that, but it is. All right. And finally, I want to talk to you guys about Tools Direct. All right, we already know they took away the deals. Last night, this was 507 items, and this morning it's 460. Like now it's 458. I don't know what y'all buying, okay? Because not only are a lot of these deals just bad, but they're worse than Home Depot. So let's take this Milwaukee M18 hatchet. All right, it's $299 at Tools Direct right now. All right, no, it's gonna have a warranty, but it's not brand new. I mean, it'll probably come brand new, but it's not gonna have a full-blown warranty. It's gonna be a return or something like that. And check this out, at Home Depot, brand new is $279. Just be careful out here. Not only that, for $299, you can get the same darn thing with a charger and then, what is this, an 8 amp hour battery? A 6 amp hour high output battery. Okay, don't get bamboozled. That's all I just want y'all to know. And that is it for today's video. Hopefully it was helpful. I'll see you guys next time.